Buongiorno. I'm glad to tell you that the renewal brand new TACHIBI homepage is now updated on website. So please go to tachibi.com website. Look through the website renewal page. Enjoy the various contents of TACHIBI Art Prep School. Thank you very much. Ciao, arrivederci. From seaside of Caribbean. Ciao, arrivederci. By the way, there is a movie called The Lighthouse. That's a great movie. I recommend it. This is the seaside of outskirts of ocean. So enjoy the contents of movie TACHIBI as well as the renewal site of www.tachibi.com. Alright, we are going to update the information of winter seminar 2021 soon. Meanwhile, I broadcast from the ocean view of Caribbean. The environment is particularly important in order to live healthy and wildly, and always we are going to progress in certain ways to improve our skill set and get a lot of benefit from the nature of we have here in the side of ocean. Thank you very much indeed, and see you later.